Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you I'm going to teach you two different ways to fix this problem on HP Elitebook Folio 9480M. How to fix this problem of speaker not loud and also the headphone jack not working. So today I'm going to show you on how to fix the problem of the speaker of HP Folio not too loud, and the headphone jack not working. So let me show you guys. So I'm going to play music now to see now the speaker is not loud. Do you see? 100%. 100%. Do you see? Do you see the speaker is not loud? And also I will put earpiece on the earpiece jack. Do you see? Nothing is singing. See, it's silent. Nothing is singing. Do you see? So I'm going to show you on how to fix this problem in case you have a HP Folio and you encounter this problem. So I'll show you on how to fix it. Come on guys, let's go. Okay, now the first step you do to fix this problem, the first step you do is one, to download the drivers on HP support. Let me show you guys. You connect to internet. This is my network. So let me write the password. So this is it. It's connected. Okay. Now let me connect to my let me download it on Google Chrome. Download HP 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 Elitebook Folio. HP Elitebook Folio 9480M drivers. Download HP Elitebook Folio 9480M drivers. So this is HP Elitebook 9480M. You click on it. So this is this HP support. So this is it. You go down, you select the operating system that your laptop work with. If it's Windows 7, you click Windows 7. If it's Windows 8, you click Windows 8. If it's Windows 10, you click Windows 10. So my own laptop is Windows 10. I click on it. Windows 10 64-bit operating system. Click on it. So let me show you. You go to here, driver audio. So do you see this one? These tools, they are for the drivers. Do you see fix and enhancement? Provide the update drivers. So this can help to to fix the problem of earpiece headphone jack not working, and also the HP laptop volume not too loud. So let me show you the second step on how to fix this problem. Okay, let me plug in my USB flash drive. Or already I have the drivers for it, so no need for me to download the drivers. So, but if you don't have the drivers for it, you can download it. So let me unlock my flash drive. So let me show you. If you go here, Snipey driver. Yes. So this one, let me show you the one for the sound. You see, this one is for the sound. So if I click on it, is to download, is for it to install. So this for the sound. So this is it. If I click on it, it will install. So that is it. How to install it? If you click here, you click install for it to install. So that's all. Okay, now I have finished the installation. Let me play the sound so I can hear it. Do you see it? Do you see the speaker is loud? And also let me put the headphone, the earpiece to the headphone jack. You see, it's singing out. You see. So if this video is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and also comment to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you some of that time. Thanks.